Good day and welcome to your daily news digest. In today's business and financial headlines, several major companies are making waves. Shares of airplane manufacturer Boeing jumped over 10% today. The rally was fueled by an optimistic outlook from the company's new chief financial officer, Jay Malave, who projected that Boeing will transition from a $2 billion cash flow loss this year to generating positive free cash flow in the low single-digit billions next year, suggesting a stronger recovery than analysts had feared. Healthcare tech specialist Simulations Plus also saw its stock soar by over 16% in late trading. The surge followed a fresh earnings report that encouraged investors, despite the company reporting a 6% year-over-year decrease in revenue for its fiscal fourth quarter, bringing in $17.5 million. The decline was attributed mainly to a slide in software revenue. Meanwhile, database provider MongoDB surged to a new 52-week high, jumping as much as 27%. After a rocky couple of years with decelerating growth, the company's latest financial release has laid to rest doubts about its future prospects. The results indicate a business renaissance, rewarding patient investors as growth resumes and Wall Street turns increasingly bullish. In a reversal of fortune, robotics stock Symbotic crashed today, falling 21% in afternoon trading. The significant drop is being attributed directly to a recent analyst action, as investment firm Goldman Sachs issued a downgrade for the company's stock, spooking investors and triggering a sharp sell-off. Turning now to the cryptocurrency markets, digital assets saw a broad rally. Ethereum is up over 10% in the last 24 hours. The jump follows comments from Federal Reserve Vice Chair Michelle Bowman, who told legislators the Fed will work to create a framework for stablecoins within the banking system. She emphasized encouraging responsible innovation while ensuring financial stability. Dogecoin is also on the rise, gaining nearly 10% and outpacing Bitcoin's gains. The popular meme coin recovered from a recent loss, buoyed by the same bullish developments in the crypto market, including Vice Chair Bowman's statements on creating clear rules for stablecoins, which traders interpreted as a positive step for the industry. Solana has surged roughly 12.5% since yesterday afternoon. The crypto sector as a whole appears to have found support after a recent sell-off, with Bitcoin also trading nearly 7% higher. The rebound for Solana is part of a broader market recovery, with token-specific news also contributing to its strong performance. The newly launched Bitwise XRP ETF is also soaring, up over 8%. The jump is linked to two key developments: Vanguard giving the green light for trading crypto ETFs on its platform, and the previously mentioned supportive comments on stablecoin regulation from Federal Reserve Vice Chair Michelle Bowman before a key House committee. In investor news, San Diego-based Tang Capital Management has increased its stake in Aurinia Pharmaceuticals. The fund acquired 1.3 million shares during the third quarter, a move valued at over $40 million. This brings its total holding in the pharmaceutical company to 11.3 million shares, with a market value of over $125 million. G2 Investment Partners made a significant bet on Tower Semiconductor, purchasing nearly 175,000 shares in the third quarter. The move grew the position's value by approximately $16 million, bringing G2's total stake to almost 290,000 shares, worth nearly $21 million. Tower Semiconductor now represents over 4% of the fund's managed assets. Investment firm Thompson, Siegel, and Walmsley added over $36 million worth of Conagra Brands stock in the third quarter. According to an SEC filing, the firm bought an additional 2.3 million shares of the food giant. This purchase brings the fund's total position in Conagra to over 5.2 million shares, valued at more than $96 million at the end of the quarter. Finally, famed investor Michael Burry, known for predicting the 2008 subprime mortgage crisis, has placed a new short bet against artificial intelligence. According to his fund's latest filings, Burry purchased put options on semiconductor powerhouse and AI leader Nvidia last quarter, signaling a belief that the AI stock boom may be facing a downturn. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.